Four-way test of the things we think, say or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Yeah, we request all to like that.
Okay. Good morning, friends. Can you hear with this?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Good morning, friends. सभी को प्यार भरा नमस्कार. On behalf of Rotary Club of Thane Big Town, I am happy to welcome you all for the installation ceremony of our 31st club president, Rotary Nitin Kelkar, and the board of directors for the Rotary Smile Year 2021-22. We are fortunate today to see, meet and greet each other physically after the prolonged pandemic situation. पर इस दरमियान हमारे जिन प्यारे आप्त सखियों को और दोस्तों को हमने खो दिया है, उन सभी का अंतःकरण से स्मरण करते हुए और उनके प्रेरणादायी यादों को आशीर्वाद के रूप में समेटे हुए हम आज के कार्यक्रम की ओर बढ़ते हैं। पिछले 18-20 महीनों से चले आए अंधकारमय पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन को पीछे छोड़कर उजाले की तरफ ले जाने वाले सिंबॉलिक दिए का प्रकाशमय प्रज्वलन करने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3102 स्माइल डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर डॉक्टर मयूरेश वारके जी, स्माइल असिस्टेंट गवर्नर रेशम खानेकर, स्माइल डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी चंद्रहास शेट्टी, along with those President Sanjay Jodhekar and Smile President Nitin Kelkar. Respected Smile DG Dr. Mयूरेश वारके to the stage and also request Archana ji Thakur to escort Smile AG Resham Khanekar to the dais. Now I hand over mic to Josh President Dr. Sanjay Jodhekar for further proceedings.
Good morning. I welcome you to this lovely morning session for the installation of our SMILE President. Dear fellow Rotarians, protractors, members and the family of Rotarians and friends, indeed 2020 has taught us everything around us is so temporary. It was taught that it is indeed our own home and family that keeps us safe. It has reshaped the world as a whole. Year 2020 has tested all our limits, but at the end we emerged as winners for sure. Also, proved that Rotarians are flexible, innovative, they are kind, they are able to give and serve society in spite of all these pandemics. I personally learned so many things in terms of new leadership practices and group dynamics too. That thanks to all my past presidents, IPP and seniors to have enriched my wisdom vastly. Also would like to thank every member, Rotarian and Protract and family members who has adopted the new norm, enthusiastically participated in the various virtual meetings. Maybe one of them like the fellowships, the projects, in spite of the pandemic. We at RCTMT had a successful and satisfactory mega impactful events, meetings and projects in the year 2021. I will give quick list. We donated the medical gloves, PPE kits, sanitizers to the Kamba Kalyan Hospital, sanitizers to the police stations, the steel tiffins to the nurses in the nursing home, which is need of the hour at that time. The green classroom boards and sanitizers to the impact schools, arrange the morning breakfast to close to around 400 plus police karmachari in the traffic spots, right from the entrance of the Thane to the Kodmazar road. At every job there was a police and we have given them the breakfast. We gave and donated the raw material, the ration to the Adivasi Padas of around 45 families for 1.5 months. One of the best innovative first time in the district, we organized one online chess tournament, which is one of its events, and it was well appreciated because of the pandemic and it was totally online. The participants from all over India, 33 states and the 8 million territories have participated in that. 2,000 participants were registered. End of the day, around 1,200 plus participants have gone through the tournament, which has given us an immense public relation, a public image for the Rotary, and it was one of the best projects that we have done. And when it was discussed with the subsequent DGs, I think they also agreed that we will continue to do this program as our signature event or signature program for coming years. The Rotary Club of Thane Midtown has also completed. One of the good things is that Global Grant check dam projects in this year. We started in this year and we completed in this year. So that was one of the best things that has happened. We have seen that because of these check dams, we have got close to around 1.5 million liters of water being stored there, and because of that, there are a lot of more wells and the other things, the raise in the water for the more wells and all. And this was handed over to the villagers very recently with the grant program where we called the villagers also, and it has been handed over. This was why I wanted to mention about this project was because this is one of the 7th area which Rotary International has recently had. We hosted District Raida, which is also one of the unique events where a couple of districts across the India has participated, and close to around 500 plus students and Europeans have participated in that, which was a great event and well successfully completed. One of the great events that our Rotaract has done, I think most of the people may know, may not know, which is called as the Next Conclave, which is again an international event where Rotaractors organized. RCDMT was one of the key co-host club, where the RI president also have come as a speaker, and he also appreciated and motivated all our Rotaractors. Good job done by our Rotaractors. We co-hosted one of the key event of Rotary Year 2021, which is the addiction prevention seminar, where close to around 1,000 plus people participated, and we were one of the lead co-hosts for that event, which was also well appreciated, well done. So many district events have also been hosted by us as a platinum or gold, silver sponsors. We did our best despite the pandemic and lots of restriction. Of course, we would have done still better if the things would have been the best. We just completed the Josh Shukriya, and our club performance was evaluated based on all about projects and events. The Josh DG has recognized the RCDMT club with the Platinum Awardee, which is also very great. Josh President and First Lady Swapna Joglekar, she is also available here. We both are eternally grateful for the immense love, support, and each blessing. A million reasons to be thankful for all the projects, events, and each meetings. A heartfelt gratitude for making this Josh a year of vibrant, impactful, and successful. Wishing our new president, Nitin Kesar, absolute best and good luck. I am sure in his tenure as SMILE president, Nitin and his BOD will take our club to the greater heights under the guidance of District Governor Dr. Mayuresh Pandey. Cheers to the new year, new Rotary year 2021-2022. Thank you. I would like to recognize, since this is first event or first meeting, which is happening since I got installed. Totally, so we wanted to have quickly recognize some of our BOD members. Can you start the quickly? And Josh secretary, he did very well. And requested you to handle the suggestion. Chitra Kelkar, our TRM director for Josh here. Subhash Patkar, our TRM chairperson. Rajesh Singh, IGP. Membership Director, Raj Kapoor, Kirti Vaidya, Hitesh Patil, our environment and Arvind Gulati, Development Manager, Harish Agarwal, Sayyam Lakari, Santosh Bade, special mention about Santosh Bade. He is our international director, and he has completed the 2 global grant projects in 2020 and 2021. Kishore Bharina, Sunil Tola, Satish Kodare, getting the global grants, Milind Balal, Narendra Lindar, Arvind Datta, and Yatin Pandit. Yatin Pandit is also one of the great persons who has been successful in the program. We would also, normally itself, we give every year the Best Rotarian Award. And this year we plan to give the Best Rotarian Award in the hands of Anubhay Mehta. He is our charter president and also he has initiated this particular trophy. And this time this trophy goes to Yatin Pandit. You would like to speak? And Anubhay. Thank you, Anubhay.
Speechless. What should I say? Thank you so much. First of all, Charter President Anubhay Mehta for introducing this program to encourage all the members. I was very young when I joined this Rotary. I just recollect and all the members. Okay, I want to dedicate this particular trophy to all the RCTFT members. Special thanks the man behind who is sitting, Suhas Patkar, who I think painting Rotaract is present over here. I urged him also to grab the opportunity and be a part of this Rotary work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay, for giving me the opportunity to conduct and be the convener of the district event last year, where thousands of participants we could reach during the difficult time of lockdown. I'm still receiving messages from the participants when we are going to conduct the next tournament. Thanks to the coach committee for sponsoring to conduct the tournament. Santoshi for taking the technical efforts and to reach to the masses. Saurabh Zobekar, who is not a Rotarian but who had given support wholeheartedly to this particular event. All the core committee members, thank you so much and thank you so much, my president, and I'm sure we will bring the new smiles on the faces. Okay, we have already surpassed and we'll continue to work together and we'll make this year very good. Thank you so much.
Three cheers for your team.
We proceed to the installation of my president, Nitin Kelkar. I would like to introduce our new president of Smile Year 2021-22. Nitin Kelkar is an instrument engineer. He is founder and director of AK Instruments Private Limited. The company provides holistic instrumentation solutions to the various industries. He is an artist by heart and philanthropist by head. He has a good hand at various art materials and has created masterpiece of art from thermocol for decoration of Ganpati festival. He has a passion for pencil and shading of drawings. If you visit his Facebook page, I think you will come to know all the details. He has been actively participating in Maha Shramadhan drive at Panni Foundation on every 1st of May, which is his birthday. His Shramadhan is done every year to construct small check dams. Along with it, he has donated many organizations in cash as well as in time. He became the first major donor of RCTMT by donating ₹10,000 in the year 89-90. From that year onwards, he has been donating $1,000 every year and hence been recognized as Honorary Society member. He has joined Rotary in the year 2014 and has been an active Rotarian from the day one and has shared many responsibilities in the BOD. He has been awarded the Best Rotarian Award for the year 1890. He is having innovative plans and keen to establish the good bonds with all the partners in service. He is happily married with Rotarian Chitra Kelkar. She is the head of the Department of Psychology in Somaya College. She is an experienced counselor and certified life coach. He is blessed with 2 children, Chinmayi, Chinmayi, who has graduated in psychology. She is also a certified yoga teacher and nutritionist. She will be going to the University of Nottingham in UK for Masters in Psychology. The younger son, Rituparna, completed his 10th year and has been admitted in Srimati Sulochana Singhania School for further study. I welcome Nitin Kelkar as the Smile President for the university.
P was not. Our district governor, Mayuresh Vartiji. Past district governors, though they are not available today. Okay. Assistant Governor Resham Dhanekarji, past presidents and senior Rotarians of our RCTMT club, Rotarians, Innerville, Rotract, members of our club, my mother and father, my in-laws, and all Rotary friends. Very, very good morning to all of you. Me and Chitra will like to say namaste to all of you. Please. I am honored to get such a chance, such an opportunity to be the president of this wonderful club, a renowned club, completed 31 years. I can see the smiles on the faces of our Rotarians, specifically midterms, because we are meeting after so long time. In last year we could not meet many times. There were no many meetings, no fellowships. So they must have stored their energy and enthusiasm. In this coming year, we'll definitely utilize this energy and enthusiasm by making them involved in many activities which will be there in series. This year we have a very specific plan to involve all the Innerville members and Rotract members also in all the projects and events so that our bonding will increase. In the start of the year itself, in last 14 days, we have completed 2 projects along with the help of Rotractors. And there is one more project which is on 18th, that is solid waste collection. In that, Innervillers and Rotractors both are involved. So these kind of activities will definitely go on in full year. Our RI director, Shekhar Mitaji, has given us a wonderful idea. Each one bring one to increase our membership. In our club, we will together try to make this success, and all will focus on increasing the membership as well as getting back our old members who have left our club few weeks, few months and years before. Very soon, maybe by the end of this month itself, we will be inducting at least 5 members in our club, which will increase our membership by 10%. Because of COVID again, if physical meetings are not possible, then we have some unique plans to make the fellowship so that bonding will continue and projects also will be happening. This year we have planned various projects, even a monsoon picnic, which will be announcing in next 8 days. We'll start one signature project of village adoption, and we'll be continuing with the project of chess tournament, online chess tournament, that will be there in this year also. Check Tag and Happy School, these projects are in pipeline. This month itself we will be finalizing the talks with them and we will go ahead with those projects. You all know that my decision to take up this presidentship was at very at very late time. Because of the unfortunate happenings, whatever you know. Because of that, me and my BOD could not spare much time to focus on CSR. But we'll be definitely taking the help from district advisors and my members of the club who are in corporates will definitely see to it that we do some CSR projects this year. We are planning for fundraisers. This also will do immediately. Very first time in this club of Thane Midtown, we have planned to engage each and every member. We have planned, we have basically designed a working pattern like we have small groups working under each director. So each and every member will be involved in some of the other activities and jailing will happen. For doing all this, will definitely require complete support from the members and major support I require from IPP Sanjay Jugulekar ji. I know in last year, everyone knows, the last year was challenging. Still, he has made it, our club, he has made it a success and for that reason I will be felicitating Sanjay Jugulekar here. Please.
Governor. DG.
Swapna ji is the vice principal of Ruparel College and she was studying in the same college and became vice principal. That's a great development.
So this is that certificate of appreciation to IPP Sanjay Jugulekar. You are the leader of Thane Midtown in the pandemic year. Doing service projects and continuing fellowship was extremely challenging. You led our club during this unprecedented time and yet brought many laurels to the club. We all the Midtowners express our deep gratitude for your stupendous performance and wish you a great success in the future.
Now friends, this is time to call my BOD. I'll call BOD members and request each of them to come on stage one by one. So, Club Secretary Chitra Kelkar, and my better afternoon. So, Garpe, she is President and Secretary. Wow.
कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम जलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं अब तो हमें साथी है तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना, अब जो भी हो शोधा बन के पत्थर है बादल बन के।
राजेंद्र जेंडे TRF डायरेक्टर, सुहास पाटकर मेंबरशिप डायरेक्टर,
कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन। साथी है बस इतना ही। जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं, कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के।
राज ठाकुर प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर, राज ठाकुर, धर्मेंद्र कुपानी is not present, अर्चना ठाकुर एनवायरमेंट डायरेक्टर,
कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं,
यतिन पंडित यूथ डायरेक्टर,
हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो आगे बढ़ते
मिलिंद बल्ला बुलेटिन डायरेक्टर, बुलेटिन एडिटर,
बस इतना ही कहना, अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही।
नरेंद्र जिंदा पब्लिक रिलेशन डायरेक्टर,
पत्थर है तो कहना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है जाना। कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे
अर्जुन दाता डिस्काउंट
चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
There are 3 directors which are not there today, Vasanti Gosani,
मिलते हैं हम
Kishore Bhalerao,
ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Dharmendra Gopani. 3 directors are not there, 4 directors are not there. Vivek Lohia also is not there today. Medical director.
दुश्मन के हिलते हैं, कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Members have been facilitated by the Jewish district governor, and the trophies are here, and they were not present at that time, so we would like and requesting maybe hand it to them. Jende, IPP Rajendra Jende ji. Milind Balla. Arvind Nanda. Thank you.
हेलो, हम बीओडी के लिए जब लाइन में फोटो निकालने के लिए खड़े थे तभी मुझे एक याद आ गया कि अमिताभ बच्चन की फिल्म थी चीनी कम, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ अभी चीनी ज्यादा होने वाली है क्योंकि चित्रा का ची और नितिन का नी दोनों मिलकर चीनी हो रही है और उसकी चीनी अगर क्लब में घुल मिल जाए तो मधुरता और मिठास और बढ़ने वाली है, तो इसलिए दोनों को ऑल द बेस्ट।
Now we will have inaugurations of 3 things. One is our club logo. Our club name is Thane Midtown, and at the heart of the city there are 2 prominent heritages. One is natural and another is cultural. So natural is our Masunda Lake, cultural is Gadkari Rangayatan. So our logo here today, second inauguration we are doing is of e-roaster. The e-roaster we have designed in this way that the information will not contain the details only about the member and the spouse. We are giving the details about their kids also, what exactly they do. So where are they, what they do, all that information as well as past precedents information, blood groups, best Rotarian records, all that we are covering. E-roaster. Also, these kids, their photographs also we have put so that the information is of e-bulletin, the bulletin, monthly bulletin we will have, and for that purpose I invite our bulletin editor Dilip Balla and our PR director Narendra Lindayat on the stage. Please. We will be having this monthly bulletin. The complete credit for this bulletin goes to Dilip Balla, Narendra Lindayat and Tripura Chitra. This bulletin will be published in e-format from next month. Now, the important and very interesting part comes about TRF. Our district TRF chair, Sangram has not come, I think. We will announce TRF commitments. Okay. So
Please, sir.
As of now, we have 3 major donors. Out of that, the third major donor is overfed Dr. Nanda Pandya. We are having 6 EHS members. Our club is Paul Harris Fellows, and we are going to announce many more laurels very soon. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. The best part of this year is the things which I like most is the name given this year, that is smile. और जो हंसता है वो फंसता है. So that is the best part of our Dr. Mayuresh here. Just friends, I have been allotted 2-3 minutes, so just I want to cover everything. But before that, जब मैंने ये स्माइल देखा, तो एक दो चीज मेरे अभी यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे जो मुझे सूझी, तो I would like to share with our Dr. Mayuresh that जिसमें हंसी की कमी नहीं, उसमें कोई कमी नहीं. ये शायद मयूरेश ने देखा होगा. जो हंसता है वही करता है. So that smile is there. और जो हंसाना जानता है वो करवाना भी जानता है. So that is the specialty of our DG Mayuresh ji. So well friends, coming towards to our TRF contribution, sir, this we have kept very secret because the पैसा एक ऐसी चीज है कि वो रात रात कहाँ पे निकल जाए तो इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं होता है. इसलिए it was kept very secret even with the smile president also. So I request RI Director Santosh to please show the PP. So well friends, as you know that Rotary is a Rotary. Why I am informing you couple of minutes I will take, because most of the members and even the parents of the Nitin also they don't know the meaning of the foundation, even TRF foundation. So well friends, the Rotary Foundation is basically a non-profit corporation. So that is the best part of, that is the easiest I can say definition of a Rotary Foundation. So as you know that serve to change the lives, we have planned a very big things in our this Smile Rotary year, because we want to see our Smile President smile throughout the year from the day to day. So first time in the history of Rotary Club of Thane Midtown, we are going ahead for the changes. So our member now who is becoming the major donor first time, plus he is becoming a benefactor. After that he becoming a biggest society member, and whatever the remaining that we are going to announce today. So friend, you must be thinking what is the meaning of this thing, that beneficiary. So what is the meaning of the person who is giving more than 10,000? So he automatically becomes the member of that benefactors and as well as the biggest society. So this is the small definition just I want to show you. So with the help of Rotary Foundation, what we are doing? Fund, you see, fund arrangements for all future leaders to carry out noble activities is very important, because without money we cannot go ahead. So for our incoming presidents, our club has arranged a very beautiful amount from this year. So as you know, sir, that we are having the term gift restricted giving, that is donor customized giving, that term gift we have also completed. Then annual fund, that is the supporting communities today, that is also over here. Then as you know that the in polio now, that we have given a lot of contribution to the polio plus also. So what is the remaining? The remaining part is endowment fund. And why the endowment fund? To secure the tomorrow, to secure our president for the further projects. And as our Raj Thakur is a project director, so Raj will responsibility is more. And within you have to observe that how he is going to accommodate with the amount which we are going to share with them. So as you know, the foundation makes money work so that we can work with community. So the amount which we are giving to the endowment fund, so that is the contribution that goes to even shares also, and the part of that money we are going the half of the interest we are getting per year for our projects. And friends, this is now made possible by none other than our member. राह संघर्ष में जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। राह संघर्ष की जो चाल चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों में जंग की थी वही सूरज बनकर निकलता है, और वही सूरज आज हमारे बीच है। And that is, this is now made possible only by our member Subhash Kapoor. And now he has declared an endowment fund for our Rotary Club of Thane Midtown. So I request, So I request Kapoorji, I think you are online. Yeah. Now the suspense is over. So study moment for Rotary Club Thane Midtown. So he is a very simple man.
मैं सीनियर सिटीजन हूँ और रोटरी क्लब ऑफ फंड क्रिएट कर रही है ताकि आने वाले दिनों में रोटरी के कार्यों के लिए कमी न हो। मैं और मेरी पत्नी प्रभाव चाहते हैं कि इस एंडोमेंट फंड से मिलने वाली राशि का सदुपयोग एजुकेशन तथा एनवायरनमेंट किया जाएगा, और चाहता हूँ कि इस शुभ काम के लिए कभी पैसे की कमी न होगी। हम चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग एंडोमेंट फंड में पैसा दें ताकि रोटरी का शुभ काम और तेज हो सके। धन्यवाद।
As you know that more than 775 million people over the age of 15 are illiterate. So our goal is to strengthen the capacity. So our club is going to strengthen the capacity for education as well as the 7th area of focus which is introduced in the last year. So that seventh area of focus, that is environment, to support and to protect the environment, exclusively that is the seventh focus area of this Rotary International. That also we are going to cover the first time in the history of our RCTMD. So sir, that is all from our side. So बस जाते-जाते सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि you must have seen कि हमारे जो मयूरेश जी हैं वो सिर्फ हंसते हैं, बस एक स्माइल देते हैं, कुछ भी हो स्माइल देते हैं, $25,000 हो कुछ भी हो वो स्माइल दे देते हैं. तो I know that give more than you take. What he feels is that give more than you take, love more than you hate, and smile more than you cry. So that is the best part of our president and our DG. So congratulations to Smile President Nidhi and DG also, and with the same AG Thanikar ji, and our welcome our TRF Chair Sangram and DS हमारे हंसते हुए शेट्टी साहब. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That's all from my side. All the best. Thank you.
Here I would like to further commit 25,000 की तो होगी. देने का $25,000 plus we'll have $10,000 more in this year itself. So total commitment first year will be 35,000. You know, in our president's group of MISO, we know her as Jhansi Ki Rani. If you like to know Sundarta ka Raaz, so I will advise you have to ask to Reshan, because she is cosmetologist and trichologist. She is commerce and law graduate with diploma in system analysis and program development. She has also done obesity management from University of Switzerland. Reshan joined Rotary Club of Thane East in 2005, and 2007 she was the secretary of the club. In that year, she was stood the best secretary out of 10 top secretaries. She was club president in 2015 peak year and was awarded a platinum club. From 2007, she worked in different avenues of service on district level. Since 2014-15, she has effectively handled various positions in multi-district Rotary Youth Exchange program. She is having excellent know-how in the Rotary Youth Exchange program, and she has been an asset for District 3142 per se. In Smile Year 21-22, she is assigned the responsibility of Assistant Governor for MISO Group. Reshan is happily married with Dinanath, who is having his business of precision fisheries at Masunda Lake. They have two daughters, Zui and Urvi. Both are dentists and pursuing their further education. I welcome Assistant Governor for 2 words.
Thank you, Nitin. I think it is audible because height difference हो गया आलेलं आहे पुस्तकी त्यांना ऐकू येत असेल तर आता त्यांनी आताच सांगितलं की क्लासिकल आवाज जरा आहे का ॲक्च्युली चीफ गेस्ट DG डॉक्टर मयुरेश, प्रेसिडेंट नितिन, सेक्रेटरी चित्रा, IPP संजय, IPS शिरीष, चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर नेहा, दिनेश जी, संग्राम, चंद्रास, Naveen Bakura ji. A very good morning to all of you all. We are nearing afternoon, but let me thank Dr. DG Mayuresh for giving me the responsibility of AG of such an experienced club of District 3142. It's a great feeling to be associated as an AG of this club. Let me first congratulate IPP Sanjay for such a wonderful year. I really envy all the presidents from the Joshi year. They had a blind sight in front of them when they started, but then they didn't stop. They basically, being a Rotarian, they made each and everyone proud and never left a small opportunity where they couldn't do anything. They did much, much more better than anyone could do in a rightful way and in a rightful year. Congratulations, take a bow for it, Sanjay. President Nitin and Secretary Chitra, his better half, his best half, his home minister, whatever you call her. Though his appointment was a last minute appointment, I kept on calling each and everyone from Parliament town, president there. And then I knew, to my surprise, I could get a president full of energy, full of activeness, and then again I found out the secretary also coming from his house. I said, and that was the day when we met for the pre-pets, before the pre-pets, and they could gel in so very easily with us, and it was all the bubbling energy which we found in this president, this duo. I would say from that day till today, अजून एकही दिवस असा गेला नाही की मला नितीनचा फोन येत नाही. आता हे या वेळेमध्ये काय करू शकतो, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं, कसं प्लॅनिंग करायचं, ह्याचा फोन आला नाही तर मी करते त्याला फोन. अरे बाबा बरं आहेस ना, तू आज फोन नाही केलास. म्हणजे इतकं डेडिकेशन आणि इतकं काम करण्याची प्रक्रिया. He has planned his club programs, project, membership, TRF, fellowship events. You have just witnessed some of them. This is just a glimpse of what he has thought about. It's much more which will be coming in the coming entire year. So his dedication and commitment to deliver will definitely take the club to great heights. And in midterm and experienced club with so many senior members and mentors, whom I would say, not less than Milinji, my co-president Suhas, Smart Samrat Jayanteji, Charter President Nanubai. All this guidance of the senior member will definitely help Nitin to reach the greater height and to the height wherein Dr. Sanjay has left him. He will be carrying forward from there, and definitely he will bring the club to a far more excellent and above average level, and the club, Rotary Club of Thane Mintam, will definitely be at a greater height. Mark my words, we will meet again at the Shukriya of Nitin again. However, on behalf of DG Mayuresh, DS Chandras and our entire SMILE team, we assure you a 24/7 support in case President Nitin or your club requires any support on guidance from us. We wish your club a very best of luck and hope that your club will continue to be one of the best clubs in the district. Thank you so much. Just two words about DG Dr. Mayuresh, because they have an entire AV to be played for him. I don't want to take much of your time, but DG Dr. Mayuresh, a person, I would say a man with very few words. You wouldn't see him talking a lot, but belonging to a very noble profession and always believed that he will always be on the serving side of the society. It is not since a very few years he has done it. He has been constantly doing it. 2 decades and making a difference in the life of not a few hundreds, but it is like around 5,000 plus lives, touching them really by the heart and making the smile spread across. What more would I say about this man? You see him and you would never believe he is a person of such a great magnitude. It's a proud privilege of District 3142 to have a DG like DG Dr. Mayuresh. And without much ado, I would request to play the AV of our DG to know the exact and more detailing about our DG. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Immediate past President Sanjay and Secretary Shirish. President for the Smile Year 21-22 and the Secretary Nitin and Chitra. The entire Rotary family of Thane Midtown, Charter President Nanubhai, Senior Past Presidents of Thane Midtown, so many district people here, District Secretary Chandra, Chief Coordinator Neha, Sangram, Rajiv, DRF and Membership Avenue Chairs, Naveen I can see, and so many people from your club who are a part of the district team. So at the outset, friends, let me thank all your members who have accepted our invitation to be a part of the journey of this Rotary year with us. So thank you so much for being a part of our year of 21-22. It's a great pleasure to be here at the installation ceremony of Thane Midtown. Normally a chief guest would be talking about trying to motivate people to do things, but I don't need to do that. There's so much that has been already done, and you have planned for so much that is to be done. Amazing work done in that last year, Sanjay. And I have been a fortunate person to be a witness to some of your events where I was a part of it, though virtually. And friends, that is what Rotary is all about. All of us do love those challenges. In fact, we perform much better in those challenging situations than we would otherwise have performed. And that is what so apt was the theme of last year, Rotary Opens Opportunities, and this is exactly where we look for opportunities in those challenges. And congratulations, Sanjay, for searching for those opportunities in those situations where you have managed to squeeze in a lot of good work, managed to touch lives, managed to change the world for people. And truly you deserve that platinum recognition which the district gave you for your performance during the year of 2021. And friends, Rotary has probably survived for 116 years for that one simple reason, that we have been touching lives of people around the world, making a difference in their lives. Because no one such organization exists in the world even today who has sustained for 116 years. So it makes us a proud feeling that we are a part of such an organization. And believe me friends, all of you will agree and vouch with me that Rotary is one such platform which offers us a menu of opportunities to touch people's life across geographical areas. Where in the world, sitting in a place at your comfort levels, in your homes, you can make a difference in the lives of people somewhere else. Your club have been doing that global grants, the district grants, the life-changing activities. You have tasted that magic of our organization, friends. With that new endowment which you have created. So thank you for your club members, Kapoorji and his family, for that magnanimity to create that endowment for a secure tomorrow. And I'm sure this is just the beginning. And I keep on saying this, friends, when we have to talk to people, we need to first believe in it. So thank you, Midtowners, for believing in that Rotary Foundation. Because unless we believe in any aspect, we cannot sell that aspect to someone. आज आपण कोणाला कसली गोष्ट रेकमेंड जेव्हा करतो, ती आयदर आपण स्वतः वापरलेली असते किंवा अनुभवलेली असते तरच आपण त्याला रेकमेंड करतो. So if we need to talk about Rotary to people, I think we all of us need to believe in Rotary first, and that would become the first step. And if all of us start believing in Rotary, friends, we will never ever lose a member of our Rotary family. And this year is a special year for all of us because we have Shekhar Mehta as our RM President, an Indian who heads the Rotary International. And this opportunity has come our way after a long gap of almost 10 years, the last RM President being Alak Banerjee in 2011-12. It gives us such a proud feeling that we are going to be led by an Indian. The whole world looks at India. And Shekhar Mehta, I'm sure all of you must have heard Shekhar Mehta at some point or the other. If not, please look up the Rotary website and hear his presidential speech. He's an amazing individual who keeps on dreaming things which is unimaginable, unthinkable and unachievable. But he makes it sound so simple that at the end of the speech, the people who listen to him think that tomorrow morning they are going to achieve that dream. And that kind of enthusiasm he keeps on rubbing onto all of us. And imagine if one speech can change that kind of a thought process of an individual. We as his district governors, fortunately for us, we have been interacting with him almost every 15 days for the last 2 years. So you can imagine the kind of enthusiasm he pushes and pumps into you. And if I, as his district governor, can pass on maybe just 5 to 10% of that enthusiasm into our Rotarians in our district, I think we can achieve what he is wanting to dream us. And he just gives us 2 things to do. Only 2 things. Do more and grow more. Simple sentences, but an infinite meaning. No end point. Do more. More. There is no limit to do more. Grow more, again there is no limit to grow more. So that kind of a visionary, that kind of a dreamer Shekhar Mehta is, and he has this wildest dream which he announced 1 year back. The stagnant figure of membership of Rotary International at 1.2 million. Unfortunately for us, today we are still lower than that 1.2 million. We are at 1.17. And he wants to change that figure from 1.2 to 1.3 million Rotarians. A feat which has not been achieved for the last 20 odd years. This RI President wants it to be achieved in the next 12 months. Unimaginable, unthinkable, maybe undoable. But failure is acceptable, friends, but not trying is not acceptable. So at least let's begin to try to fulfill his dream. We may not achieve 1.3 at the end of the year, but we at least go down in the history that we made a beginning to change the statistics of Rotary International. Imagine a club like yours with 50 odd plus members doing that kind of a magnitude of service activities. And again, imagine if you were 70 or 80. As a family of Thane Midtown, the amount of lives you can touch. The more the people, more the hands, more the brains, more the money. Because ultimately, single-handedly, no one does anything in Rotary. It is all about the team, it's all about the people with you. Because there is never an I in the team, but there is always a you in the volunteer. And all of us are those unpaid volunteers who spend our time, we spend our money, we spend our expertise to do good in the world. We are those Rotarian friends, we serve people, we inspire people with our acts of deed, and we transform the people's lives. So if someone asks us what is Rotary, it's a very difficult question to answer, not because we don't know what is Rotary, but we don't know where to start and where to end. And Rotary has been changing with the changing times. See, all of us will agree that the world is changing at an unprecedented rate. Situations come up which we have never ever imagined. Imagine the last year, preparations had been done to do a lot of activities, but destiny does not allow every time to do what we have dreamt. And because the world has been changing, so has Rotary been changing. And your club is so epitomizing what Rotary wants us to change. You are involving your members in every activities. You have adapted to the changing times. You have expanded your geographical areas of service, and that is precisely what Rotary wants. You have so much talent in your club. You have powerhouses of each of the thrust areas which Rotary wants us. PR, you have people like Milind with you. And believe me, Rotary now also stresses on PR. Milind will agree with me that gone are the times where we used to say कि एका हाताने दिलेल्या गोष्ट दुसऱ्या हाताला करता कामा नये. But now is the time to let people know what kind of work we do. So it is not just about flashing or showing up what deeds we do. It is about letting people know what we do. So it's not just about putting our activities on our social media sites or publishing them in our bulletins or newspaper. It's, I think, we should be walking, talking public image and public relations. And what better public image for Rotary than wearing this pin or a badge of Rotary to our workplaces in our day-to-day lives. I think that is one of the biggest brandings that all of us can do for the Rotary. We meet at least 25-30 people who are not Rotarians during the day on an average. So maybe at least 10 to 15% of those people will ask us, okay, what is this pin about? And then we get a chance to tell them what Rotary is about. And foundation like rightly Rajendra Zinde said, it is that wing of Rotary International which supports our ongoing activities. And today, friends, again, like we have dropped in membership, the same thing is happening in the Rotary Foundation. That the World Fund of the Rotary Foundation, from which we all get that money to do our global grant activities or the district grant activities, is depleting in the funds. For one simple reason, last 1.5 years, the the Rotary Foundation's World Fund has opened its coffers and distributed almost $50 million as disaster grants without expecting a single dollar in return. And because of that, the model of the global grant funding has changed from 1st of July 2021. We will no longer be getting the matching in the same pattern as we got last Rotary year. But if you want to restore that funding pattern, now is the beginning where we can change not only the figures of membership, we can also change the model of funding of the Rotary Foundation by contributing to the Rotary Foundation. And as I always keep on saying, it's never about my year or your year. It's about our year, because every year is that year for Rotary. All of us friends need to support the Rotary Foundation for that one simple reason. If we want our successors in Rotary to enjoy that magic of Rotary, we need to support the Rotary Foundation today. And thank you so much, Midtowners, for making a grand beginning for supporting the Rotary Foundation. So thank you, Nitin, and the entire Rotary family of Thane Midtown for supporting the Rotary Foundation. And I'm sure there's more to come. And believe me, I always keep on saying this, मागून आणि मागे लागून भरपूर गोष्टी होतात. I'm sure you must have experienced the same thing when you approached your philanthropist club member who's donated for the endowment fund. It was just about asking him. It was just about convincing him. And there are people to support us. And I'm sure if we believe in our Rotary and our foundation, there is no end to convincing people to come aboard and support us. So friends, let's make that difference. Let's connect to the world. Let's be that inspiration to people. Let's open opportunities as we pass through our Rotary journey. And to top it all, friends, let's go forth. Serve to change lives. Let's all travel this path of the year 21-22 together, spreading smiles as we pass through, changing lives as we pass through. We may not be able to change the whole world, but we can change the world for that one individual. Paste a smile on that person's face, and we get more happier if we realize that we are the reason for that smile. And believe me, I have been experiencing this when we do those polio corrective or deformity corrective surgeries. A child which is crawling, not able to stand himself or support himself, and the next time when I meet him, he comes standing on his legs with a box of sweets in his hand. It's an amazing feeling which gives you so much solace, so much more than any monetary gain which we can ever get. And that blessing, that goodwill which gets generated, friends, takes all the troubles out of our lives. And this is that platform, friends, Rotary offers us, that we need to touch someone. Someone has touched us. Someone has got us into Rotary. Given us that opportunity to utilize this platform to paste a smile on someone's face to change the world for them. So now becomes it our responsibility to touch someone else. Give him that opportunity to serve people. And I'm sure every one of us sitting here knows at least one person who's as good or as bad as what we ourselves are. So let's search for that good or bad person who's like us. Let's get him into our Rotary family, and this is one family which we do not mind increasing at all. So let's increase our family, let's increase that breed of Rotarians. And I'm sure all of us can do wonders. And let's, like I said, travel this path together. Because it's never about my year or your year. We are all here for that brand of Rotary. So let's spread that brand. Let's spread that magic of Rotary. And let's go forth, serve to change lives. Thank you so much.
I'm honored that so many dignitaries are here for this program. district governor, he himself has come here. That is a wonderful opportunity what I got. AG Resham, DS Chandrahas, TRF Chair Sangram, TRF Coordinator Dinesh Mehtaji, Principal Aides Vikram Maneji, even Assistant Governor Naveen Agarwal, Nanu Mehtaji, very thankful to come. So many people are here, and few of them I would like to felicitate. Inderville President Anuja Sachdev and Rotaract President Vaishnavi Joshi. So all of them are present. I am very glad.
First, we would like to felicitate our SMILE DG, Mayuresh Bhargeji. Our AG and constant source of guidance, Resham Thanikaji. Our ever supportive pillar, DS Chandrahas. The man and monetary power behind doing good work, TRF Chair Sangramji. And TRF Coordinator Dinesh Mehtaji. District Membership Chair Rajiv Karniji. And Principal Aide Vikram Maneji.
Geeta Chaprekarji has done a wonderful job today. Invocation song and complete setting of the stage was done by Jagdish Chaprekar. Thank you very much. One more thing, my treasurer for Smart Year. One more person I'm missing. Neha. Neha, please. The SMILE treasurer, Shirish Kelkar, is PE for the coming year. So President-elect also, that announcement was not done. So here, congratulations Shirish. He will be taking a picture. One more person I would like to add for the felicitation, Naveen. Please come.
Friends, just like to thank you for the felicitation, and I'm confident that the years go by, Rotary Club of Thane Midtown is going to achieve more and more new heights. I'm absolutely certain that this year is going to be a remarkable year. Each year the bar is getting higher and higher, and I'm sure that as I was just mentioning, next year is again Shiv Kelkar. And in spite of the difficult year, the way Sanjay conducted the entire year virtually, I think is credit. I'm very thankful, and at the same time, I wish forward that this club goes higher and higher. And particularly thankful to Subhash Kapoor, whom in fact I had inducted as a member. And he has now donated such a huge amount as a new beginning. That's, I think, very, very, very appreciated. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you.
Good afternoon. I would like to say a few words about Jagdish Chapekar ji. I joined Rotary 4 to 5 years back, and when I have taken this presidentship, he was the first person who told me that, Sanjay, you are new to this club, you don't know the culture of the club, the dynamics of the club, the people of the club. And I fully agree with him. I have seen that in my year. He was the first person who told me, at any point in time, if you require any help in terms of money or in terms of any kind, you can just call me and I will be available for that. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am extremely happy to be here in front of this august gathering for performing a pleasant task of offering vote of thanks. At the outset, let me thank Smile DG, Dr. Mayuresh Warke, from bottom of my heart for gracing this beautiful function of installation ceremony of President of our Rotary Club of Thane Midtown, Nitin Kelkar. My brother, you may keep guessing whether, younger brother or elder brother. Thank you DG for your guiding words of wisdom. I also thank all the dignitaries from the district, co-presidents from other clubs, well-wishers who are physically present today despite pandemic. I must thank committee members of Hitavardhini Trust for offering this beautiful hall, especially with ample parking space, very important, for conducting this function as well as trials, and similar thanks to all their staff members for their timely support. I also acknowledge and thank caterers of this hall, Mr. Tambe, and all his staff members for offering us sumptuous food which you are going to enjoy soon, and also for the sound, light and every other arrangements. Thanks to Deepak Joshi and team for videography and photography. Thanks to our own director Narendra Vinayak for designing those beautiful citations. Also thanks to Geeta Chapekar for the superb invocation song. Thanks to Rotaract President Vaishnavi Joshi and the team members for the beautiful lamp and flower arrangements and assisting for handing over the citations and every other help. We cannot think of anyone else but ever energetic PP Jagdish Chapekar for that superb flow of anchoring, so special thanks to him too. Last but not the least, thanks to all our club members, aunts, and all those who are watching this wonderful ceremony from here as well as on Zoom. I also acknowledge and thank help of our own Kelkar team, all the Youngistan, Rachana, Chinmay, Shreyas, and the one who is not here today, Rituparna. Let's all carry this vote of thanks in the usual grand way with a thunderous applause. Thank you all.
BOD is 12, other Rotarians are 20, district officials 9, inner wheel and road track members, servicing partners are 10, Rotary and guests 12. That makes a total of 63. And as it was also available on the Zoom there were 37 members. So we can say today we all are 100 are present here. I would like to give happy announcement. Our member Shirish Pathak celebrated his birthday on 11th July, and today Dr. Datta Panandikar is celebrating his birthday. And also I would like to announce that on 18th we are having our mega e-waste and dry waste collection drive starting at 10 a.m. onwards till 12 noon at Lakshmi Kesar building down, as the address is already sent on the road. I will request all of you to contribute and request your neighbors, your relatives to come there and give the rest, because it is going to be a long way. The contribution generated by selling this particular thing, the vendor has admitted to the district to contribute few of its amount to TRL, to our foundation. So take it in that spirit. Thank you. I take the opportunity to thank all who are present from deep heart, from me and my better half and Smile President